Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add a photo in Canva. First thing you want to do is to find the template you want to import the photo. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose the Facebook post. And then you go to Uploads and then Upload Files. And then your folder will open and you just choose one picture and press Open. Then it will upload here to the side. In order to move the picture to the board, you just drag it like this, and then you can start editing it. Whatever you want with text, clip art, or whatever. Another way to do this is to go straight to the folder, and you can take a picture and just drag it over there. And as you can see, it uploads here. A third way to do this is to go to the folder again, and you can just drag it like this, and it will upload to the board and you can start editing it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more tutorials just like this, subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notifications. See you in the next video.